If you've ever found yourself curled up on the couch, jeans unbuttoned, feeling like your stomach is about to burst, clutching a warm water bottle while wondering why your belly feels like a balloon, you're not alone. This is a common experience for many women. Period bloating is one of those frustrating, invisible symptoms that so many women quietly endure each month. It can make you feel uncomfortable and self-conscious. But it doesn't have to be this way. Relief is possible, and you deserve to feel good. At Glownest, we see you, and we're here to walk you through this with warmth, compassion, and real solutions. Our team of experts is dedicated to helping you find relief. Let's break down some simple, effective ways to beat the bloat and feel your best all month long. From gentle exercises to soothing herbal teas, we've got you covered. Drinking more water actually helps reduce bloating. When you're dehydrated, your body holds onto water like it's preparing for a drought. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water a day during your period week. Add some slices of lemon or cucumber to your water for a refreshing taste and to help flush out toxins. Herbal teas like peppermint, dandelion, or ginger can also calm your digestive system and reduce gas. Food can either be your best friend or your worst enemy when it comes to bloating. The right choices can make you feel light and energetic, while the wrong ones can leave you feeling sluggish and uncomfortable. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which helps regulate fluid balance. They can also help reduce water retention and ease bloating. Cucumbers have natural diuretic properties, helping to flush out excess water. They are also low in calories and high in water content, making them a refreshing snack. Yogurt with live and active cultures, aka probiotics, can help keep your gut happy and balanced. These probiotics aid in digestion and can reduce bloating. Avocados are packed with fiber and healthy fats that promote digestion. They also contain potassium, which helps manage fluid balance in the body. Avoid salty snacks, fizzy drinks, and processed foods, which can lead to water retention and bloating. These foods are often high in sodium and artificial ingredients. Fizzy drinks, even the diet ones, can lead to gas and bloating. The carbonation in these drinks can cause your stomach to expand. If you're sensitive to dairy, now's the time to take a break from it. Dairy can be hard to digest for some people, leading to bloating and discomfort. Gentle movement can work wonders. It stimulates digestion, improves circulation, and helps your lymphatic system drain excess fluid. Take a 10 to 15-minute walk after meals. Try a short session of yoga or stretching focused on the belly and hips. There are even specific yoga poses that target bloating. Practice deep belly breathing to release tension in your abdomen and support digestion. Let's talk about salt and sugar, two common culprits behind bloating. Excess salt leads to water retention. Too much sugar can cause spikes and crashes in your blood sugar levels, worsening bloating. Cooking more meals at home allows you to control the amount of salt that goes into your food. Choose whole, unprocessed snacks like fruits, vegetables, or nuts over packaged snacks. Pair carbs with fiber, protein, or healthy fats to help keep your blood sugar stable. Sometimes we need a little extra support, and that's where natural supplements can come in. Magnesium can help relieve cramps and bloating. Vitamin B6 is helpful for PMS symptoms, including bloating. Evening primrose oil can help regulate hormones and reduce inflammation. Always check with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. We often underestimate the impact that stress has on our bodies. Emotional stress can worsen bloating by triggering digestive issues and increasing cortisol. Make self-care a priority during your period. Take a warm bath with Epsom salts. Listen to calming music or practice gratitude. And most importantly, make sure you're getting enough sleep. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to rest and repair. You got this. Remember, every small step you take is a step towards a healthier, happier you. A gentle reminder, you deserve to feel good in your body. Bloating doesn't define you. Embrace the journey and be kind to yourself. At Glownest, we believe that every woman deserves to feel confident, comfortable, and in control of her body. Start today by making mindful choices. Pick one tip from this guide and give it a try. Whether it's a new recipe or a simple exercise, every effort counts. Small changes can make a world of difference. Consistency is key, and over time, you'll see the benefits. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching. Stay motivated and keep shining.